Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a packing video, first impressions on the Core backpack by Jujube. I just picked this up a few days ago. I bought it from jujube.com and I had it shipped to a ship-it shop in the States, and then I went over the border to pick it up. My first impressions, I actually quite like it. The quality is actually pretty good. If I had to pick anything out, it'd just be the zipper pulls, are maybe not my favourite, but the rest of the bag is actually really good quality, I think. And for the price, it's an absolute bargain. So it does come with a change pad and stroller hooks. They're just very basic stroller hooks, so but they work, they do the job, I guess. I just bought a few prints out to show you the difference. So this is the olive rose with it. So this is definitely a totally different green, but it would look okay. And then Rosy Posy, which will look great with it. And then I also brought Butterfly Forest again, which is going to look pretty good with it as well. So it does have this front slip pocket here. I don't have anything in there. I've got it quite packed, so it'd only be something really thin that I'd put in there. It does have the cell phone pocket. My iPhone 8 Plus does fit in here quite nicely. The zippers are actually quite nice on here too. So this bag, you can carry it by the grab handle up at the top, or you can pull these up and you've got like a tote style, or you've got the backpack. I've walked around the house with it in the backpack. I'm taking it out for the first time today, and on my back it felt actually pretty good. I am going to take some pictures, so hopefully I'll be able to insert those in at the end of the video of me wearing it, so you can get an idea of what it looks like, but it did feel pretty good on my back. There's a slip pocket back here, and this has the change pad. Again, nothing fancy about the change pad, it's just a thin change pad. I am actually going to take it with me today because I'm actually going to use it to put like the kids' food and stuff on. But yeah, it's, you know, like I say, nothing fancy, but it does the job, I guess. So that's quite a deep pocket there. So you have this flap at the front here, and that opens up and it leads to another slip pocket right here. I didn't put anything in there just because I have nothing to put in there right now, but you could easily put, I don't know, an iPad or, well, pretty much anything in there really. And the lining, I love the lining. I think it looks pretty good. So that's in there. So you can just tuck that down into there if you wanted to make this pocket a bit easier to get into. So this is the cooler pocket, I guess. So I just put 2 yogurt drinks in here, and I also have stuff down there, just some cheeses for my kids. Now it's a pretty good pocket, and I think I could easily, I don't know if you can see that in there, I'll show you. I could easily get a thin ice pack in there too if I needed to, but I did see somebody's video and I think they may have fit 2 or 3 Avent baby bottles in there, so that's pretty good as well. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's probably about the same size as a Sporty, I think. But it's a lot easier to pack than a Sporty, by far. I love the way it packs up. So the zippers go all the way down, and then you can turn that over and you open it up, you can see everything in there. So sat right on top, I just have 2 sun hats, and there it is inside. And I think it's so easy to see everything in there. So you've got this zipper pocket back here. Again, it's quite deep pocket. I don't have anything in there. 2 elasticated pockets at the back. And in there I have my Kate Spade wallet. Fits great. It does come with 3 pouches. This, I believe, is the smaller one, which I actually love these, and these do come with a set of straps as well. I don't think I'm going to use the straps right now, so that's why I haven't opened them up, but you can attach them. In here I have charger stuff for my phone. I usually use a small set piece, but this works really good, and I love how flat and thin they are. so that easily fits there. It has two more of those pockets at the front here, and it has a key leash, so I have my keys attached there, and I can just slip them down into that elasticated pocket and easily find them. In this one I just have hand sanitizer, some Blistex and some mints. And then it does have two insulated bottle pockets, one on each side, so I just have two little water bottles in there. They're good sized pockets, so I think you'd easily fit a baby bottle in there as well. So I'll be interested to see how good the insulation is on these insulated pockets when I go out today. So in the main part of the bag, I have the large set piece that comes as the set of 3. And in here, I just have a change of clothes, a wet bag, just some sanitary towels, some of these toilet toppers, underwear, and that just for my daughter. So that is a really good size. I really like this. And then this is the medium set piece, and in here I just have 2 bathing suits in case we stop by the splash pad on the way back. So there's the medium and the large. And then I have my little custom Medi kit in here. And again, Shoreline looks pretty good with this as well. And then last of all, I just have a Be Quick in Forget Me Not, and Forget Me Not looks good with this too. And this is just full of like dry snacks in there, but I'll just give you an idea of the large set piece compared to a Be Quick. And there it is. So the Be Quick is bigger, and then the large set piece compared to a large set piece from a B set. So you can see this is a lot bigger, but it's a lot thinner. So I really like that because it's easy to get stuff in. So you can, you know, slide stuff in, and you can see how roomy this bag is. I mean, it's pretty big, but it doesn't feel huge when you're carrying it. Like I say, I wore it around the house just to see how comfortable it was going to be. And it feels quite compact when you're wearing it, so I'm really excited to use this today and see how I get on with it. But I love this colour, and that's why I ended up ordering it from the US, because this colour is the olive and it's not available in Canada. So yeah, I ordered it in the US, and yeah, I think I'm going to quite like this bag. And like I say, the quality to me seems really nice. I want to say it's maybe nicer quality than the Midnight Posy stuff that was available at Walmart. I don't know, it just feels nicer to me. Like I say, the only thing that maybe could be different is these zipper pulls. They're not particularly that nice, but the zippers themselves are really nice. And like I say, everything else in here is, I don't know, it was $75 US, it came to about 100 Canadian, and it is well worth the money because you get the bag, you get the set pieces, the stroller clips, the change pad, and it is a really good deal. And yeah, I'm really happy I got it actually. So anyway, if you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.